不过去一年，成绩来之不易。这些成绩是在极为复杂严峻的国际环境
These achievements were made in the context of an extremely complicated and challenging international environment.
6年来最低。
Last year, world economic growth fell to its lowest rate in 6 years.
大宗商品
Growth in
价格
international
深
trade
度下
slowed,
跌，
commodity
国
prices
际金
plummeted,
融市场
and there was
震荡加
growing
剧，
volatility
对
in the
我国经
global
济
financial
造成
market.
直接冲击。
All this had a direct impact on China's
这些
economy.
成绩是在国内深层次矛盾凸显。
These achievements were made at the same time as deep-seated domestic problems were becoming prominent and downward pressure on the economy was
经
mounting.
济工作
While dealing with the
遇到不少
slowdown in economic growth, making difficult structural
甚至多难的
adjustments, and absorbing the effects of previous economic stimulus policies,
趋利避害
China was also confronted with many difficult problems and choices in the running
是在
of the
我国经
economy.
济总量超过60万亿元的高计划
Finally, they were made at a time when China's economic output had
国内生
exceeded
产总值
60 trillion
每增
yuan.
长1个百分点的增量，
Every percentage point of GDP growth today
5
is
年前
equivalent to 1.5 percentage points of growth 5 years ago,
10年前2.5个百分点的增量，
or 2.5 percentage points of
经济规模
growth
越大
10 years ago.
增长
The
难度
larger the
随之
economy
增加
grows, the greater the
在困
difficulty
难
of
和压力
achieving
面前
growth.
全国各族人民
In the
付
face
出
of
了
these difficulties and
极大辛
pressures,
劳，
all our people have
一步
truly
一步
exerted themselves
走了过来
and progressed step by
这再
step
次证明
to get us where
任
we
何
are
艰难
today.
险阻都
This
挡
once
不
again
住
demonstrates that
中国
no difficulty
发
or
展前
hardship
行的
will
步伐。
ever stop China from moving forward.